Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy Ann, and today I have for you the Balanced Snack Box. I love this one. Let's get into it. Thank you very much for joining me for my second unboxing of the Balanced Snack Box. We loved this one last time. There are healthy snacks in this, and Sam and I, between the two of us, ate every single one of them. I was impressed with the value and I was impressed with the quality, and so I am just staying a monthly customer for now, and I just love that I can share it with you. If you use my link down below, you will save 15% off of your first box with the Balanced Company. They have several different types of boxes. I'll go into that just a little bit in a minute. And this is just a regular referral program. It's for anybody who's a member. I'm not an affiliate with them or anything, but it does rack up points for me, which helps me to get a discount. And I think I got a $5 discount off of next month's because somebody used my referral link. I think that's how I got that. I'm not sure, but anyway, it does benefit me a little bit, but it benefits you a whole lot. The one suggestion I want to make for you, when you go to order your snack box or whatever type of box you get, they're probably going to offer to let you have the lifestyle box for $10 instead of the regular $14.99. I would say pick it up. That was a great value. It's just a little bit from each one of their boxes, I think, to kind of give a little idea, a little smattering of what is going on with the Balance Company. So go ahead and pick that one up. It's just, it's a lot of fun. I got things like tuna and dried beans and guacamole mix and some of those electrolyte things you put in your drink. And there was a beverage. I mean, it's pretty fantastic. All right, I'm going to tell you just a little bit about this so you know what we're doing, going into this fully. You fully know what we're doing going into this, and then we will open the box. Well, I guess before we get going, I should just tell you a little bit about what the Balanced Company is about. The company was founded by a woman, I can't remember her name, but it's so that you can live a more balanced and healthy lifestyle. There's healthier type snacks, healthier type home products, all that good stuff. So with this snack box as well as the pantry box, you can either get them as one-time gifts, month to month, or 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. And so the longer your subscription, the more you prepay, the more you save off of each box. It's not a massive savings, but if you know you're going to keep it for 12 months and you have the money to pay for a 12-month, I would just go ahead and do it. I think it just makes it easier. You don't have to think about it every month before it comes in or get surprised with a payment in your checkbook. Then they also have the lifestyle box and a home box. And those are available as one-time gifts, quarterly or annual prepaid plans. And then there is a discovery box, and it's available quarterly or annual. You know, I think I said if they offer you the lifestyle box for $10 a box, but I think it's the discovery box because you're discovering about the company. So the discovery box, yeah, it can either be quarterly or annual. I need to sign up for that discovery box quarterly because it was pretty darned good. Let's see what else I have to share with you. So this one is the Balanced Snack Box. This is the original. This one is $32.99 a month. That price does include shipping. And it has a total of 5 to 8 full-size healthy snacks, plus their sample, bonus items, and exclusive offers. I'm going to put my glasses on for the next one. This is a little tough to see. Then there is a mini box. It's called the Mini Snacker. And it has 10 to 12 individual sized healthy and delicious snacks plus the bonus items and exclusive offers. And then they have the Big Snacker. That one is much larger. It has 10 to 12 full-size products, 5 individual sized items, bonus products, and exclusive offers. And that one is $47.99. And I may upgrade to that because we ran out of snacks eventually, and we like our snacks around here. I think that's all I had to share with you. Yep, so let's get into the box itself. So if it is like it was before, there'll be some little cards on top that tell me about some of the different products inside the box. Yes, there they are right there. This is the founder of the company. I was trying to think of her name. Let me see if I can find it on here for you. It's Evie. And Evie is the founder. That's a picture of her. Hello, Evie. And then there's a thing for sharing with a friend on the back. But this is my deal is better than this one because this one says it's 10%, and that way you can save 15% with my referral code down below. And then this is, let's see. Yeah, she's got the Balanced Discovery box, an advertisement for that. And then I think this is going to be about different products in the box, so I'll just look at those if I need to as we go. So what do we have in here? So first up, we have 33 recipe. There's 2 of them, infused almonds. One is cinnamon vanilla, one is garlic dill. It says no mess, just flavor. These are going to go to Sam because I'm allergic to tree nuts, but that's fine. I think they also have gluten-free and keto-friendly boxes. As a matter of fact, I'm sure they do. So if those are concerns of yours, or you're leading a keto lifestyle, look into that as well. And next up, we have non-believable baked goods for the soul, keto-friendly double chocolate chip cookies. They're grain and gluten-free, no added sugars, and divinely delicious. 1 gram net carbs, no GMOs, no preservatives. My goodness. I think this is probably going to have tree nuts. Yeah, it has almonds. So Sam gets these too. Eat a cookie, feed the hungry. So apparently they have a program for helping to feed the hungry. So this is one of the things that had a card in the box, the Nunbelievable. So you can claim 2 free keto cookbooks if you go to their website, and there is a code back there for saving 15% at checkout if you just want to order their products off their website. So that's kind of what I like about this too, is they give you an opportunity to save some money on products that you really like. Next, ooh, these look good. Skinny dipped cups, loads of peanut butter, keto friendly, no stevia or sugar alcohols, dark chocolate peanut butter. What are the allergens in this puppy? Peanuts and milk. I can eat this. That makes me very happy. 1 cup is 70 calories though. Oh my goodness. What are the ingredients in this? Actually, the ingredients are really good. I mean, there's sugar, but the first ingredient is unsweetened chocolate and then peanut butter. And now we have the Craze sweet corn toasted snack crackers. So you can snack them, you can sandwich them together, use them as a dip, all sorts of different things. They have crispy outer edges, and they use real fruits and spices to craft this super crunchy, feel-good snack cracker. Those look yummy. 120 calories for 12 crackers, and the ingredients are very simple. No allergens. Yellow corn flour, corn puree, dark brown sugar, yellow cornmeal, olive oil, sea salt, and rosemary extract. So that sounds good. That's another one I'll like. I like my salty snacks. Now we have, let me check what this little card has to say about Craze. You can buy one, get one free on their website. And yeah, using their coupon code, the maximum value is $4.99. So you can go there. Oh, you can purchase it in store. Okay, my mistake. Alrighty, next up, we have the Sonoma Creamery Parmesan Crisps, crunchy real cheese snacks, 10 grams of protein per serving with quinoa. I love these. I take these kind of thing to the movies. So there's about 6 pieces, per serving. This is 2.25 ounces. So this is about 2 servings, a little bit more, 150 calories per serving. And the only allergen in it is milk. And they're just those baked Parmesan crisps like you see everywhere, but these actually have a little bit of quinoa in them as well. And then next up, we have bone broth. Instant chicken broth, Thai coconut. Now that is interesting. Keto, and paleo friendly. I know what keto is. 10 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber per serving, and 60 calories per packet with MCT oil. Very interesting. So let me hold that up so you can see it, and then I'll read what it says on the side. Easy to digest and gut friendly, our Bone Brew House deliciously sippable instant bone broths make on-the-go wellness convenient and satisfying. With MCT oil, they contain good fats, which can help support keto and low-carb diets. Well, that's kind of neat. I want to see what this looks like. Aha! So that's what a packet looks like in there, and there's 5 packets inside the container. What I'm wondering is, would these work for seasoning like soups and things. I'll have to look into that. And next up, we have rind apple chips. We got these last time and I really, really like them. They're just regular apple chips, but they're delicious. These are really great snacks. I enjoyed mine last time. The problem was just not eating the whole thing at one time. And this is 3 ounces and a serving container is about 10 crisps or 28 grams. Okay, so that's a problem I have. The only ingredient, by the way, is dried apples. But if you're going to tell me on the front what the weight is, oh, there it is, 85 grams. So if a serving is 28 grams, we're just under 3 servings. I don't have a problem. But the thing is, if you're going to put ounces on the front, why not put ounces on your serving side on the back? Why do we go to metric on the back? This confuses Americans. All right, looks like we have one more item in the box. This is Uglies Kettle chips. I've been wanting to try these. I've heard about them. So these are sea salt. It says it's okay to be rough around the edges. Let me read what this has to say on the back while I show it to you. Uglies kettle chips are crafted from potatoes with slight imperfections. Some of us may have browner edges and some of us may be darker than kettle chips with less character, but beauty is in the eye of the chip holder. Oh, that's funny. So this is using up some of those potatoes that people don't buy in the store or won't, so they don't ever make it that far. Great use of perfectly good food that doesn't look beautiful, and they turned it into a chip. So for $32.99, by the way, let's check allergens on this one too, since I'm nope, there are none. Potatoes, safflower oil, and or sunflower oil, and sea salt. And this is 1 ounce as a serving. About 16 chips for 140 calories. The bag is 6 ounces, so there's 6 servings in here. So there we go. We got our Uglies potato chips. We got the Sonoma Parmesan crisps. We got rind apple crisps. We got Craze sweet corn toasted snack crackers. We got skinny dipped cups. We got bone broth. We got the Keto double chocolate chip cookies that Sam is going to have to eat because I'm allergic. And then we have the 2 packets of flavored roasted almonds, all for $32.99. I love this box. So go on over to Balanced Company. Use my link below to save 15%. Try one for yourself. See what you think. If you could give the video a quick like I always say, helps it so much. And if you would consider subscribing, I would be most honored. We will see you on the next one. Bye-bye. And be blessed. I am really excited to get in today's, nope. Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here. I said, hey everyone on the intro, I think. Okay. I am really excited to share with you today the Balanced Snack Box. This is our second. The one that I unboxed last time, if I could say words right, it would be very handy. 12 months, you can get a discount off of the box plan, a little bit more with each. This is so distracting with those shelves going up. I can hear all of it. Okay. Oh boy, there's lots of crashing going on in the background. And I'm a little worried for your safety right now. Until then, before then, I do want to let you know that if you use my link down below, I'm still not happy with this.